back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impression video on new drugstore makeups. I've been collectively buying some newly released products from different drugstore brands, and I got all this stuff at Ulta actually, so it's all there in the drugstore side. It's pretty much a full face of first impressions, and you guys will find out throughout the video how I like it. So if you guys like this look and want to see the products that I used and what my thoughts are, just keep watching. And before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and also follow me on my social media, which will of course be somewhere up here where you can follow, and also link down below. And let's just get into the video. We're gonna get right into it. So I already primed my eyes using this ColourPop concealer, the No Filter concealer, and you can use any concealer for that. And then I used my ABH dip brow to do my brows because never switch it up, never switch my brows up. So we're gonna go to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette that was just released, I think a few weeks ago. I got this a while ago, but I'm just now getting to filming this, so this is the first new product I'm gonna try, and I'm super excited because just from what I've seen, it looks really nice and pigmented, and the colors are really cute, so I'm really excited for that. So it's cute, it looks like a little Tiffany box, and I heard that this just comes right off, so that's cute. But I haven't opened it. That's what that looks like. Look how nice it is. Take the film off of it. And I got this the first few days it came out. So I got it for only $19, and now I think it's like $23 plus shipping. And then if it's $23, they have like a bunch of discount codes. I'm gonna go in with Dulce first, which is this one here. And that looks like a really nice transition shade, so I'm gonna do that. So I haven't really heard anything bad about this palette, but I don't know if that's because everyone just likes Daisy, because so far all the reviews have been like, well, that I've seen have been people that are friends with her and stuff, so I don't know if it's a biased opinion, but I'm gonna try it out and see if I like it. Not that it matters, but. Now I think I'm gonna go in with this one that's called Karma. So it looks really nice. So I'm gonna put that on my lid and we'll see how it works, how it blends. I'm gonna go in back with Vintage just to blend out the edge because I feel like I lost the color now. Just gonna add more of that. So I think that's all I'm gonna do with this palette, just because I'm gonna go in with the inner corner shade from this palette later on. But just for the look, I want it to be kind of simple. I just wanted to see the pigment of it, and it looks so pretty. This is such a nice shade. It's showing up really nice on the camera too. So I'm gonna go finish this eye off camera, and then I'll be right back to do my face using some new face products. So right now I am loving the eyeshadow. I'm not really like too crazy with my eyeshadow, meaning like I don't do like cut creases or this or that. I'm pretty simple and kind of like realistic, I like to think. Like this is a look that anyone can wear. It's not too dramatic, which I have seen, which is nice. You know, I wish I could do that, but I can't. But yeah, it's really nice. I love this color a lot. So I don't have a new primer because I don't even think primers do anything. And I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible. I really like this, especially if I'm using like a matte foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with that. This isn't new, I've used it so much. So I'm gonna try this foundation. So again, it's the Flawless Finish foundation. This is in the shade Sand. It's light medium with neutral undertones. and it says it's an oil-free satin finish, so it's not matte finish, it's satin, which is really nice, especially for me. So yeah, I'm gonna try this foundation, and I haven't, like I said, I haven't heard anybody. I just heard one person, not even on YouTube, it was on Instagram, say they tried it and they loved it. So I was like, okay, I need to try it. It's a little less than the 1 ounce standard size of regular foundations, but I think this was only like $5 or $6, so you can't really complain. I'll do 2 pumps now, and it looks like it'll match me pretty well. So that's one layer of the foundation, and I don't even know if I showed you guys, but I'm breaking out pretty bad. You can see on this side. Like, I'm gonna show you up close. That's actually a better angle. So I'm breaking out, and this one I had the same redness and it covered it up really well. The only thing I will say is that this has like a very perfumey, like, scent smell to it. The other side of my face. So you see how it pretty much covered it up, at least my forehead. Okay. So that's it for the foundation. It looks nice. It looks still really glowy. Yeah, it looks really glowy, which I'm really happy about because I was scared it was gonna be matte. But it looks really good. But anyways, let's move on. So that one is really good. I'll let you guys know how I feel at the end of it when I have everything on to see what I really think about it. The next new product I'm trying, which I know has been out for a little while, but I just haven't had the chance to try it. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade, I think it's vanilla. Where does it say? Yeah, it's vanilla. Okay, so that's it. It looks really good, actually. Blended out nicely, and I don't think it's too light. It's like the perfect shade to highlight. So this is the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot. Yeah, it's a bake and blot like powder. It's not loose, it's like compact, and this is in the shade Banana. So this really reminds me of, not that I have it, but KKW Beauty has their banana little like highlighting things I've seen. I don't even know what it's called, but it reminds me of it because it comes in a little like compact just like that. It's not loose, and it's for like brightening. So I'm assuming, since Makeup Revolution loves to do dupes, that this is a dupe for that. And I haven't really heard anyone talk about it, and I saw it and I was very curious. So I want to try it. Instead of baking, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And I'm gonna leave it for a little bit and then dust it off to the best of my ability. So it looks actually nice in my under eye area. It made it like super smooth, and I guess it did pretty much just like what a setting powder does. It made it like bright a little bit, especially since I got the banana shade. The new product I really wanted to show you that I got at the drugstore, I don't think it's new like in drugstore, but you know, new for me, new for my channel. So I'm gonna use this contour palette. You guys can use any, but I'm gonna use this one, and that's not new. It's all broken and disgusting, but this here is the new product. So I got this from Morphe, and it's the Morphe M143 brush, and I was expecting it to be like $15. It was only $8, and I use this to contour to give me that really like sharp, defined look that we all want. So I just take a little bit on the end of my brush like that. And then I go right here. Oh, right there. But I'll use this one. We're gonna go to highlighter, and this, I do have a new product. So this is the Wet n Wild I'm So Lit Loose Highlighting Powder. I'm gonna take my Morphe M510 brush and just dip it near my cap. I'm scared. I feel like it'll be very intense. See? Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. Wow, that's really pretty. It doesn't even look like streaky because it's loose, so even though it's really intense, it doesn't look streaky at all. Okay, so I put my lashes on, and now we're gonna finish the eyes. I'm gonna grab that same shade, the Karma, right there, and I'm gonna smoke out my lower lashes using the Wet n Wild, this little brush here, and just put it on there. So I'm gonna take the shade Icy, which is that white one right there. You know, you see it right there. And I'm gonna put that in my inner corner because I heard it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna go do my hair and then lastly finish off my lips and we'll be all done. Okay guys, so I just did my hair and we're almost done. We're almost at the finish line. For lips, I'm gonna take this new, well it's not new, it's new to me, the Suede by NYX. It's a lip liner in the shade, what's the shade? So this is in the shade Dandy Days and it's a nude. This looks a lot cuter in this package, but I'm gonna put like a lip gloss on top because this is washing me out. So this is the final look and I actually love it. I see why this palette got so much rave. It is really good. At least the 3 shades I tried, they were bomb. This has got to be my favorite shade ever, so great job to her for picking this one and putting it in this palette. Because the foundation is really nice. It doesn't look too, oops. It looks really nice up close. It doesn't look too matte or drying. And I think I picked a really good shade match for me. It matches really well. I would definitely suggest going to like an e.l.f. store or shopping for it online because at Ulta they only have like 4 shades and I know they definitely have more than that, but I really like it and I'm super impressed for just in general, just for it being a really good foundation, but also because it's only like $5, so can't get any better than that. And then the concealer was really nice. It definitely did its job with highlighting, and I don't know, I really like that concealer. And then one of the things that I'm super impressed with in this first impression is this. I'm kind of really selective when it comes to powders, not even like intentionally, but just because certain powders are really dry, some of them are really white, some of them wash you out. So I was scared to try this and I didn't even think I would like it at all, but I actually like it. Looking at my under eyes, it looks so smooth. The next thing would be the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I really liked it too. And the thing with this, I mean, I kind of was scared to use a loose highlighter powder because it's very intense, so I would suggest going very lightly and then working your way if you want more. But this one just melts onto the skin and it makes it look like it's just your foundation that's glowy rather than you having like a streak on top of your face. that is it for today's video. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I feel like all these brands keep coming out with more and more products, so I'll definitely try to do more first impressions and reviews on my channel. Let me know if you like them, and let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, what you guys think of them. But that is it. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!